How to delete or deactivate your Facebook account in 2023. It's a very easy process. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do here is click on the top right where your photo will be, where your profile photo will be. If you click on that, you're going to see the settings button or settings link. Click on that. Then click on the settings button over here as well. And it's going to take you to this page here. Now, forget about the stuff here. You want to go here to the left side where it says account or accounts center. So you click on that. Then you want to click on personal details on the left side here. Once you do that, you want to click on account ownership. And over here you have the option, different options here, but you just really want to focus on the middle one here, deactivation or deletion. So once you do that, you want to pick the account, which is this one, Facebook account. And you're going to have the option as to what you want to do, if you want to deactivate it or if you want to delete it. Now, what is the difference between the two of these? Okay, well, for deactivating, it's just you deactivate the account, it'll still be there, it's just going to be closed, no one's going to be able to find you, but you're going to have the option to reactivate if you want to. If you delete, which is the one here at the bottom, then you're just deleting this account and it's going to be a permanent delete, which means you can't open this account again. There's no messages if you had messages there. There's no photos in there. There's nothing there anymore. Everything's fully gone. So you just want to make sure you're aware of that. I hope this tutorial helped you with this issue. It should be pretty updated because I know Facebook did some updates recently to the platform. So this is the latest update. So we'll hope to see you in the next video. Take care, folks.